Let's create a video AR experience. Press Create AR. We will supply a name for our experience. Then select your PNG or JPEG image to be used as your target image. This image is all you will need to share with your audience. Your most recent video will play for them when they view it through the Reality Browser. Next, we can choose AR video as the AR type, and select your video file. Choose Full Frame Video as the video type. The optional settings can be left at their defaults. You can hit Process this AR. ARConnex will create all the code and prepare the video and target image connections behind the scenes. Once complete, you can press the Push to Cloud button and your experience will be published. Whenever your target image is viewed using the Reality Browser, your video experience will be displayed in augmented reality.